Today, we're diving into the basic problems that every single economy has to solve.
So, let's start with a puzzle. What could a tiny village and a huge superpower possibly have in common?
Well, it turns out they both face the exact same fundamental economic questions. No exceptions.
At the end of the day, it's all about making tough choices with limited resources.
Okay, so the first big piece of this puzzle is allocation. Let's break it down.
First up, every society has to decide, what are we actually going to make?
You've got a classic trade-off, stuff to enjoy now or tools to build more for tomorrow.
Think of it like guns versus butter. You're always balancing different, competing priorities.
So once you know what to make, the next question is, how are you going to make it?
You can go labor-intensive with more people or capital-intensive with more machines. And that choice really depends on your tech and what resources you have plenty of.
And the third big question, once it's made, who actually gets all this stuff?
See, a country's total output creates income, which gets split up among the people who made it. And basically, how that income is divided determines who can afford to buy what. Okay, moving past just allocating resources, you also got to think about utilization. Because here's the thing, any resource you're not using is just a complete waste. This leads to efficiency, getting the absolute most out of what you've got without waste. Right? You wouldn't have a skilled mason doing a carpenter's job. It's just not efficient. And the last major problem is all about looking ahead. We're talking economic growth. Growth means boosting your ability to produce, usually so income per person keeps going up. And the whole point of that is to raise the standard of living for everyone. So there they are, the 6 universal problems every single economy is constantly trying to solve.
The questions never change, but as our world evolves, the answers definitely will.